think Steve Verheyen will be remembered as a person who really, first and foremost, loved kids and did everything he did to support kids, whether it was working with facilities or maintenance or custodial staff. He always had the kids in mind and truly had a big heart, soft heart for kids.
I think Steve will leave behind a great legacy as someone, again, who just cared so much about students and staff. Having been able to spend some time with Steve over the last few months, I've really just been able to see his heart for this district and the way that he cares so much about everything here. Literally every detail is important to him because he knows the impact it can have on our students.
The shoes Mr. Verheyen leaves behind are huge. It is hard to, and I'm a part of that, filling his role and his duties and helping support the programs that he supported. He had a lot of capacity. He did a lot of things, managed a lot of things, and did them really well. And so I'm not sure that we can fill his shoes. We can just do our best to honor his legacy and doing our best to fill what he's doing. So.